to my Marcom drone channel. I recently lost my long-used GENESIS GV44a mouse, and I needed something right away for not so big price, so I decided to go to my favorite store with everything and nothing. It means Biltema. I currently live in northern Norway, and you can believe me that sometimes there's not much choice, and I don't feel like ordering online and waiting 2 weeks for the shipment. So there is a mouse from Biltema. The mouse has the magical name Gaming Mouse and has a product code of 84 to 9916, and that's it. This optical gaming mouse has 6 buttons. The hollow construction makes the mouse very light, only 110 grams, and provides good airflow under the palm for optimal comfort. With a simple button press on the mouse, you can choose between different lighting effects and 6 colors. It has a USB connection and a textile-covered cable. Sometimes I feel like this braid is too stiff. The mouse is made of hard plastic, the buttons move smoothly, and they're not particularly loud. The side buttons could be better. When pressed harder, they feel like they're collapsing inward. This doesn't happen, but the feeling remains. When I buy it costs a whole 149 Norwegian kroner and has interesting specifications for this price, but is it really? For me as a casual gamer, it is enough, but while making a film, I wanted to check how much truth there is in what the manufacturer seller assures. The first test program was vMouse Bench, which already showed me that from 125 Hz, something like 87 Hz came out. Interpolation was also not a beautiful unbroken line. And what about DPI? This program showed it strangely. So I tried to check it using Mouse DPI Analyzer. My pad is 32 centimeters long, and the mouse has 6 DPI levels. And how did it come out? The results are a little bit worse than info on the box, considering that I do it at home, and I do not have 100% the same repeatability of movements. I must admit that it is not bad. To sum up, regardless of the results of my tests, For me, the mouse is God. In naught, of course, you can find fault with praising the budget mouse, but as I mentioned, it is 100% sufficient for my daily activities. I hope you liked the film and that you will leave a trace in the form of a comment, a hand up or down, and that you will subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Best regards, Marcomp Drone.